Hello friends, today we're going to talk about the evolution of online bookkeeping. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. How modern businesses can streamline financial processes in today's fast-paced era. Online bookkeeping has revolutionized the financial management of modern businesses. Transitioning to solutions provides precision and efficiency in financial processes for companies ranging from startups to long-standing enterprises. This advancement in bookkeeping practices enables organizations to streamline their operations by leveraging data-driven decision-making and real-time insights. Companies that embrace bookkeeping services can enhance their accounting procedures, conduct thorough financial analysis, and fortify their tax planning strategies. To achieve success, let's explore how contemporary businesses are utilizing bookkeeping methods. Benefits of online bookkeeping services in today's landscape. Online accounting services offer a range of benefits for modern businesses. By leveraging technologies, companies can enhance their decision-making processes, boost efficiency. The information of data entry and real-time updates streamlines accounting tasks, allowing businesses to focus on their core strengths. Additionally, the accessibility of cloud-based accounting systems supports work opportunities, while the inclusion of financial analysis tools empowers enterprises to make decisions for growth and sustainability. Online accounting services simplify tax preparation and compliance through reports and streamlines integration with accounting systems. As businesses expand online, bookkeeping ensures management, equipping business owners with the insights needed to make strategic decisions for long-term success. Key features to look for in online bookkeeping software. When selecting online bookkeeping software for your business, it's crucial to consider the features that align with your financial management needs. To ensure efficiency and accuracy in bookkeeping tasks, opt for software that offers automated data entry. Seamless integrations with tools and platforms can boost overall productivity by ensuring a smooth flow of data between systems. To facilitate analysis and informed decision-making, choose software with robust reporting capabilities. Data security measures such as encryption and secure backups are essential for safeguarding information. Scalability is another aspect to support your company's growth trajectory. Prioritizing these elements in online bookkeeping software can help organizations streamline their processes and make strategic decisions that drive success. Financial analysis and reporting tools for modern businesses. In order to help modern businesses make decisions based on data, it is essential to have financial analysis and reporting tools. These tools, which provide insights into the well-being of a company, are components of online accounting packages. Companies can track performance indicators, generate reports, and conduct forecasting for strategic planning using advanced software. Enterprises can enhance efficiency by monitoring cash flow, identifying trends, and analyzing profitability ratios through financial analysis tools. By integrating these tools into their accounting services, businesses can enhance efficiency and competitiveness in the market. To thrive in today's dynamic business landscape, it is crucial to have access to analysis and reporting capabilities for continued growth and sustainability. Enhancing businesses' tax planning. Through online bookkeeping, using accounting services can significantly enhance tax planning methods for businesses and established companies. Companies can maximize tax advantages, ensure regulation adherence by simplifying tax-related processes, through tools and software. Functions such as handling deductions, monitoring expenses, and generating reports, essential for effective tax planning, are made more convenient with online accounting solutions. Additionally, the real-time data insights provided by online accounting systems empower organizations to devise their tax strategies with understanding and assurance. By integrating accounting practices with tax planning approaches, businesses can improve their success by reducing tax obligations and optimizing their financial well-being. Choosing the right online bookkeeping service provider. Businesses looking to streamline their processes effectively must pick the online bookkeeping service. Consider factors like the features offered, scalability, and your company's specific needs when selecting a provider. To ensure operations, look for platforms that allow integration with accounting software. Prioritize data security measures to protect information. Assess the provider's reputation, customer service options, and pricing structure to make a decision. By partnering with the trusted online bookkeeping service, businesses can conduct analysis, enhance tax planning strategies, and optimize accounting procedures to drive growth and success. Integration with accounting systems for seamless operations. Contemporary organizations using online bookkeeping services must integrate their systems with accounting software to ensure operations. By connecting bookkeeping softwares with accounting systems, businesses can streamline their processes, minimize errors, and enhance efficiency. This integration eliminates the need for data entry, reducing the risk of discrepancies and enabling data transfer between systems. Moreover, syncing accounting and bookkeeping systems allows real-time access to information, empowering companies to make decisions. Businesses must choose software with robust integration capabilities to drive growth and improve efficiency. By embracing solutions, organizations can enhance reporting accuracy, manage finances effectively, and establish a foundation for future financial success. Importance of data security in online bookkeeping in current digital era, where cyber dangers are common. The significance of data security in online bookkeeping cannot be emphasized. Since online bookkeeping systems handle sensitive financial information, data security is paramount to businesses. To protect sensitive data from online threats and unwanted access, it is imperative to put strong security measures in place, such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, and frequent data backups. For online bookkeeping procedures to remain data secure, compliance with data protection laws such as GDPR and implementing secure access restrictions are essential. By prioritizing data security, companies may maintain the integrity of financial data in online bookkeeping systems, reduce the danger of data breaches, and foster confidence among stakeholders and clients. Scaling your business with advanced bookkeeping decisions. To ensure that financial operations keep pace with increasing demands, companies need to adopt accounting systems. As they expand, leveraging technology and specialized services to streamline accounting processes can help businesses thrive with accounting solutions. As companies grow, they can enhance their ability to handle complexities by integrating cloud-based solutions that offer real-time data access and integration features. Employing financial analysis tools can provide insights to optimize resources effectively and support strategic decision making. By embracing these state-of-the-art accounting solutions, businesses can enhance transparency, improve tax planning strategies, and foster sustainable growth. Investing in accounting services that can adapt to evolving needs enables companies to achieve growth and financial stability simultaneously. So what's the conclusion? Harnessing the power of online bookkeeping for business success. The rise of online bookkeeping holds promise as a tool for success in today's business landscape, where companies are facing financial management challenges. Embracing bookkeeping services can help organizations optimize tax strategies, enhance analysis, and streamline their operations. By empowering businesses to base decisions on data, this shift to tools ensure financial processes and increased profitability. Online bookkeeping software offers benefits for businesses of all sizes, enabling integration with accounting systems and providing real-time reporting capabilities. Leveraging this technology to its potential proves the way for business expansion and simplifies daily bookkeeping tasks. In conclusion, companies aiming to uphold stability, meet compliance requirements, stay competitive in today's ever-evolving business world must fully embrace the advantages of online bookkeeping. So folks, are you ready to turn your business dreams into reality? Our comprehensive course, Step-by-Step Guide to Starting Your Own Business, is designed to help you navigate the journey with confidence. Whether you are just brainstorming ideas or ready to launch, this guide provides practical insights and actionable steps for every stage of your entrepreneurial journey. Visit our website to learn more and start your adventure today. Your future business is just a click away. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Your support helps us bring more valuable insights to you promptly. Thank you for being a part of our community.